Asana free version tutorial 2024, how to use Asana for project management. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going ahead and talking about Asana and how you can use this absolutely incredible app for yourself in the easiest and most simplest way possible. I'm going to be using the free version and showing you what the free version actually provides, what it insinuates, and what it's really about, okay? So we're going to be talking about that all in great detail in this video. So let's get straight into it. Now to start things off, you're obviously going to go ahead and create an account with Asana. So I'm going to go into the Asana section over here and it's going to say launch Asana, contact sales, upgrade, etc. Now, the reason it says contact sales is because currently I am logged in with an account on Asana, but you can simply go ahead and log out, okay? Now, the thing with Asana is to actually sign up with Asana, and to get an upgraded version of Asana, you need to obviously talk to their representatives. But obviously, I'm already logged in, so I'm quickly going to go ahead and log out of the account and show you how you are actually going to create a free version of the profile for yourself. So, this is my account, John Leahy. So I'm quickly going to go ahead and log out just to show you people how you're going to go with the free version of the free trial. So it says, welcome to Asana. Please sign in. Now, if you don't have an account, obviously we can't sign in. So over here, you're simply going to go ahead and click on Get Started. And once you click on Get Started, it's going to bring you to this section. So it says start off with an email. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my email, and I'm going to click on sign up real quick. Now, once you click on sign up, it says verify your email, where obviously Asana sends you an email on your mail. So I'm just going to wait for that to load in. Now, obviously, I have opened up my mail on my phone, and I'm just going to verify my Asana real quick. And obviously, once my Asana is verified, I'm going to reload this page. And yeah, my Asana is now verified. So here you can see I've opened it up in a new tab. There you go. So it's going to bring you to this section where it's going to say, welcome to Asana and everything. It says, what is your full name? I'm going to enter my full name. Then we are going to enter our password. There we go. Once we do that, you're going to add an image for yourself. So, whatever image you have, you are going to add it over here, and do make sure to add the proper image. Okay. So once you've added an image of yourself, you're going to click on continue. What's your primary role? This will help us tailor Asana for you. We may also reach out to help you find the right Asana products. So you're going to choose any one of these. Let's say I'm going to go with manager, and I'm going to click on continue. What kind of work do you do? This will help us tailor Asana for you. We may also reach out to help you to find the right Asana products for your team. And obviously you can select all that apply. So there's project or program management, IT, operations, engineering, product management, fundraising, educational, professionals, data or analytics, and a whole lot more. So you can go with one of them. I'm going to skip them for now, okay? But obviously we are using it for project and process management, so I'm going to stay over here and click on continue. And it says, let's set up your first project. What's something you and your team are currently working on, okay? So obviously you are going to let them know something that you and your team are currently working on right now. And then obviously, once that is done for us, what we can do from there is we can obviously go into more depth of it. We can go into more detail of it. Now, from here, I'm going to give my project a name. I'm going to go with new social. I'm just going to call it new social for some reason and click on continue. Now, once you click on continue, it's going to tell you to add in a few tasks. I'm going to skip those and I'm going to click on continue. How would you group these tasks into section or stages? I'm going to go with the custom default. Now, what layout works best for this project? You can change this later. Now, this is the great thing about the free version of Asana. They give you the list, board, calendar, and timeline views, okay? So this is the board view, which is mostly Kanban, okay? And it works a lot with, your Trello boards and all. Then there's timeline. Timeline obviously tells you how the timeline is going. And then there's calendar. Timeline only tells you the limits. Calendar only tells you the days. So yeah, just choose wisely whatever you want to go with. I'm going to go with list and click on continue for now. And once we do that, it takes us into this section over here, okay? So once we're over here and once we've clicked on continue, It tells us to get the Asana app for ourselves, but I'm going to skip for now. And now we are directly into our trial. So obviously it's a 27 days trial. It's a pretty long trial and gives you a pretty good time frame to work in. So, you have new social project over here, and here you have the to-do list, the task, doing, done, etc. There's different views that you can get, and I'm going to be talking about all of these things in great detail. Now, obviously, what you see in front of yourselves is the free version. Okay, this is where everything goes on, and it's pretty basic. It's pretty simple to get your head around all of this. So, if you want to get into the in-depth details and technicalities of this, you are gonna want to get a proper, idea of how project management softwares work. So, basically, what you are gonna want to do is, let's say you have to do over here. You can change the text for to do. So from to do, this could become, let's say, today. These are today's tasks. Or maybe this could become pending. Let's go with pending. Okay. Then in doing, we could go with completed. Then in this, we could go with uploaded. So basically, you can create different task lists like these, and then you can add the externals task in this. And in those tasks, you can even do more editing, add more subtasks. As you can see, you can add due dates, change assignees, you can have new projects. There's different dependencies to work with. There's different priorities and statuses that you can add. So here's your priority. Let's say if you want to keep it at a high or medium priority, that is acceptable. So let's say I'm going to keep it at a high. Then you have your status. You can keep it, on track, at risk, off track, whatever you want. It's all perfectly usable. It's all perfectly deniable. So it's pretty great stuff. And on the same time, you can obviously, you first of all get an overview of your workspace. This isn't very oftenly used. You do get all the latest tasks that are taken out over here, but it's just an overview. Then you have different views. So first of all, you have the list view. This is your basic view, and you can obviously go ahead and drag the tasks down to other components. So let's say I want to drag this over here and complete it. And look at that. So that's how you can drag different tasks. Then you can actually switch the views. So let's say I want to do this in board, right? So in the board view, I can mess this around. I can put this here. I can put this here. So, just change the positions, mess around with this, and just make it look good. Then there's different views like timeline views. Timeline view obviously is a bigger view, so it takes time to load in. Then there's calendar view, where you can actually see how much time you have. So as you can see for task one, which is the project brief, is from the 18th of Monday to 20th on Wednesday. That's the final day. And you can see the status of it as well. The priority is high and we are on track. You can also add in details, add in attachments. Then obviously moving on, there's more things like customize where you can add automations, you can add integrations like apps, forms, fields, and a whole lot more. So all of this is done obviously under the free trial. And yeah, that's pretty much about it when it comes to talking about Asana's free version. So this was the tutorial for Asana Free. I hope you enjoyed watching this all the way till the end. If you did, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will surely see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.